Good job, Dallas.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Good job. Yeah.
H.
One more time.
James. Jaguar.
James. Jaguar.
Good. I just received my ABC sticker alive, and I cannot wait to show you guys what's inside it. First, we have our instructions. Well, we do not need our instructions right now. We're going to put that to the side. As you can see, we already been working in here, so we got some stickers already on. But right here, we have our zoo viewer. And on this side, we have activities. And on this side, we have questions that we can ask our kids, okay? So do you want to hold that for me, Dallas? Hold that for me. And this is the stickers that we're going to make come alive by scanning them with our zoo viewer. I cannot wait to show you. All right, guys, this is my Sticker Alive app. And here's where it's going to tell you how to scan your letters using the zoo viewer. All right, so first, what you would do is they would ask you, do you have our ABC or 1, 2, 3 sticker sheets? You would say yes. Then you can also time it, guys. You can also set a timer, but today we do not need a timer, so we're gonna hit no thank you. Then it asks you which app you wanna use, if you wanna use the ABC or the 1, 2, 3s. Today we're gonna use the Sticker Live ABC app. We're gonna hit okay. And now we have to scan. Dallas, are you ready to learn today? I can't hear you, Dallas. You gotta say yes. Are you ready to learn today? Good job. Can you find the letter A? Put it on Amos. Good job. Now, Dallas, can you hold this? Hold this with 2 hands for me. We're going to see, can we bring them alive? Whoa. Who is that?
Amos Alligator.
That's Amos Alligator. Good job. You want to press that button? That's lowercase a or big A? Lowercase a. Now hit that one. What A is that? Uppercase A. Let's hit this one. Hit the green one.
A.
A. Good job. All right, Dallas. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? So what animal did we make come alive today? What animal is that? Amos Alligator. Good job. Now we got to go and find out what sound he made. So let's go back. Hit the purple one. Can you make that sound? Say again, Dallas. Hit it again. Hit the purple one. Good job, Dallas. Can you make? What is the animal doing right now? He's what?
Alligator.
What does alligators do? Do they run or do they crawl?
Crawl.
They crawl. Can you crawl like an alligator? Let's crawl like an alligator. Crawl, Dallas. Crawl, Dallas. Crawl. Good job, Dallas. What is this animal name? Can you press the name right here? Hear the animal name, the green one?
Alligator.
That's alligator. Hear his full name.
Amos. Alligator.
Your turn.
Amos. Alligator.
So who is that?
Amos Alligator.
Amos Alligator. Good job, Dallas. And this animal has a superpower. It can turn into a letter. What letter do Amos start with? A. Give me a high five. Good job. Can you name the letter, this letter right here? That's what?
Uppercase.
No, not uppercase. Lowercase A. All right, Dallas. And what sound does this letter make? Hear the sound? Ah. You don't need to hear. Can we hear? Can you hit the green button and make sure we right? Your turn. Good job, Dallas. Good job. Give me a high five. Good job. Yeah. All right, now hit that one. Hit the green one.
Horse.
Say it, what that is.
Horse.
All right, hit the next one.
Horse.
Good job. Hit the blue one.
Henry. Horse.
Henry. Horse.
All right, now hit this one. All right, now hit the Uppercase. All right, now wait, hit green.
H.
Good job. Now hit the purple. Again.
B.
Green.
Jaguar.
Jaguar.
Purple. Good job, blue.
James. Jaguar.
James. Jaguar.
Good job. Now you can go. Go trace.
J.
What habitat do you think Randy Rooster lives in? I think he lives in the farm. Let's check it out. All right, so we going to the farm. What is Randy doing now? He's eating. Wow. Look, that is.